ఎక్కడికి వచ్చాను రా?
కిటీ పార్టీ డబ్బులు కట్టినాయి.
ఓకే, మైండ్ మీ MIND. Why I started my channel is
Inside BITS Pilani campus school, then go on to like
studying in college.
okay.
So the age limit should be 18 to 20.
Okay.
They should not have any degree.
and typically you can call me as a confused basic. I don't have much in my life and I didn't plan anything.
Okay.
I'm with the attitude like just we work.
రే బోర్ కొడుతుందిరా. సాటర్డే సండే రా, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు, ఏం చేయట్లేదురా మనం. చా మరి ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటున్నాను రా. రోజు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళి ఫ్రమ్ మండే ట్యూస్డే వెన్స్డే థర్స్డే ఫ్రైడే సాటర్డే సండే ఈ 2 రోజులేరా ఖాళీ మనకి. ఏదో ఒకటి చేద్దాం రా, బయటకు వెళ్దాం రా ఎక్కడికి. సాటర్డే సండే అయితే సినిమాకి వెళ్దాం. సినిమా నేను రాను. సినిమాలు ఏం లేవు అసలు, ఒక్క మంచి సినిమా లేదు. అండ్ అది 2 నిమిషాల్లో ఓటీటీలో వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఒక్క రెండు వారాల్లో ఓటీటీలో వచ్చేస్తాయి సినిమాలన్నీ. నేను రాను సినిమాలకి, నువ్వు వెళ్ళు. వద్దు, వీడి సినిమాకి రాడు. మాల్కి వెళ్దాం, ఏదో ఒక మాల్కా మూల కూడా ఖాళీ ఉండదు, మొత్తం జనాలు ఉంటారు. అది శని ఆదివారాలు అసలు మొత్తం అందరు అక్కడే ఉంటారు. ఆ ఏసీ కూడా సరిపోదు. ఎవడెళ్తారు ఆ టైంలో? నేను రాను, మీరు వెళ్ళండి కావాలి. మనం చెన్నైలో ఉంటున్నాను రా, చెన్నై రా, ఎక్కడో ఒకటికి వెళ్ళొచ్చురా. తిన్నాం, రెస్టారెంట్కి వెళ్ళి తిన్నాం, పిజ్జా తిన్నాం. నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం పిజ్జా. ఒక ప్రాపర్ పిజ్జా, లార్జ్ పిజ్జా తీసుకొని నీట్గా 12 స్లైసెస్ కట్ చేసుకొని 6 నీకు 6 నాకు, సూపర్ ఉంటుంది పిజ్జా. ఇప్పుడే మనం ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేసాము వీడియోలోనే అదే అని ఇదని. ఆల్రెడీ నా మొహం గుండ్రంగా ఉంటుంది. నేను తగ్గాలనుకుంటున్నాను. మళ్ళీ పిజ్జాలు బర్గర్లు నా వల్ల కాదురా. యూ గైస్ క్యారీ ఆన్. నువ్వు డైటింగా? సరే, నువ్వు డైటింగ్గా నువ్వు తినవు, బయటికి రావు, బండి కొనుక్కున్నావు, బయటికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు, ఏం చేయట్లేదు. ఇద్దురా, చెన్నైలో ఉంటున్నారా నువ్వు? గుర్తుపెట్టుకోరా. ఒక పని చేద్దాం, లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ మీటప్స్ అని ఉంటాయి. ప్రతి మెట్రోపాలిటన్ సిటీస్లో ఉంటాయి మీటప్స్ అని. అంటే ఏంటంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి కలిసి మనల్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకొని జస్ట్ కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. మనం ఇదేదో కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంది. ఏంటిది? కొంతమందితో మాట్లాడుకుంటాం. వాళ్ళ టైం లైక్ మనకు ఛాన్స్ వస్తుంది, మనం ఫన్ యాక్టివిటీస్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయొచ్చు, మన గురించి మనం తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ఐస్ బ్రేకర్ లాగా బేసిక్గా ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్నీ ఎందుకుంటాయంటే, వేరే వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు మనం విజయవాడ నుంచి వచ్చాం, విజయవాడలో ఇలాంటివి ఏమి ఉండవు మనకి. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నీకు ఎవరు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉండరు. సో మేక్ ఎ టీ అని, ఆ టీ అంటే ఏంటంటే యాజ్ అ గ్రూప్ అని అర్థం అనమాట. బికమ్ ఎన్ టీ అని, ఇలా మైండ్ఫుల్ టాక్స్ అని ఇలాంటివి ఉంటాయి. ఇలాంటి కొన్ని ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్మాల్ వరల్డ్ అని ఒకటి. ఇప్పుడు మనం వెళ్ళేది ఏంటంటే ఒకవేళ వాట్ ద ఫన్ అని ఏమన్నా, వాట్ ద ఫన్, ఓకే వాట్ ద ఫన్, ఓకే WTF. ఫస్ట్ నేను బూత్ అని అనుకున్నాను, బట్ కాదు, వాట్ ద ఫన్ అని ఉంది. అలాంటి ప్లేసెస్కి వెళ్తే నిన్ను నువ్వు కొంచెం తెలుసుకోవచ్చు, కొత్త వాళ్ళతో పరిచయం పెంచుకోవచ్చు. ఓ పని చేద్దాం, మన ఇద్దరం వెళ్ళాం. నువ్వు అన్సారీ గారిని తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపో, సాటర్డేనో సండేనో ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని బుక్ మై షోలో బుక్ చేసేసుకో. బాగుంది కదా ఐడియా? ఓకే బాగానే ఉంది ఐడియా. మీ ఇద్దరు వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఎలా ఉంది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నాకు చెప్పు. వ్లాగ్ చేస్తావు గెటు, నేను వ్లాగ్ చూస్తాను. చెప్పు అందరికీ, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పు అందరికీ, ఓకేనా? వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారు అందరూ, బట్ ఎవరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయట్లేదు. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే డన్. ఓకే, ఆ పని చేద్దాం. మంచిది ఐడియా. నువ్వు అన్సారీగా తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపో, నేను నా బుక్స్ చదువుకుంటూ ఉంటాను, నీకు మంచి ఐడియాస్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటా వ్లాగింగ్కి. ఓకే బాయ్. బుక్ చేస్తా, బుక్ మై షోలో వెళ్దాం, ఓకేనా? రేపు. డన్. This vlog is going to be entirely in English because all my friends and colleagues and people who I met and I told them that I am doing a vlogs and all, they were a bit confused. They were a bit confused. Rather than confused, I can say that they didn't understand what kind of vlogs I am doing, because I am living in a different state and the motive behind my language is something different, which you gonna watch in this vlog. Why I started this channel and for what reason I am doing the vlogs in Telugu. But this entire vlog I wanted to do in English because I just want to tell my friends that okay, this is what the reason behind it, and this is what why I'm starting a YouTube channel. And okay, these things are aside, and the main part, what about this vlog. This is a place, this is the company called What the Fun. They actually conduct on weekends these kind of activities for couples, for strangers, for someone who can become a friends and a group, or else for a persons who are interested and enthusiastic in knowing informative stuff and introduce with different people. So where I went there and I met different kind of people. It's like one guy came, he studied in BITS Pilani and came to Chennai to give a presentation in IIT Madras. He was planned and prepared, and you're gonna see him there. And you all might know this company called Zoho. And this is one new thing that I learned, like I got to know from there in that meeting. It's like they're going to acquire people, like they're gonna hire people after 12th, and they're gonna conduct a test, and after qualifying that test they're gonna recruit them, and they're gonna make like they are going to pay all their college fee, and they're gonna make it's like an institution for Zoho. This is new for me. If anyone like want to know more, just let me know. I'm gonna dig up into it and put it in the comment section. Okay. And there is this guy who came from medical industry, and this is a lot to know in this vlog, and we had a lot of fun. Like I'm gonna divide this vlog in two parts. One is like what kind of information I got from there, and the second one is completely an entertainment. I'm gonna give you a glimpse of it. And one last thing is like my friend about Ansari. We all know that we are together. We are both like three of us or four of us are doing these kind of YouTube videos. They are helping. Like I am in front of the camera, but they are behind the camera. So he also came to this place, and I took him there. This is something that very interesting. You wanna watch in this video what he says. Bye.
ఎక్కడికి వచ్చానరా
సిటీ పై డబ్బులు కట్టి మరి
అది 500 ఈచ్. ఎలా ఉంటుందో మాత్రం తెలీదు. పెద్ద బఫూన్ అయిపోయినట్టే మనం ఆల్మోస్ట్. బుక్ మై షోలో చూసి ఎప్పుడు బుక్ చేసుకోకూడదని ఈరోజు అర్థం. పేటిఎంలో 1000 రూపీస్ ఈచ్.
కొంచెం సేవ్ చేసి అదోలా
అది బుక్ మై షో ఓపెన్ చేసి బుక్ మై షోలో తక్కువ బుక్ చేసాం కాబట్టి సరిపోయింది. పేటిఎంలో అయితే ఇంకా కాస్ట్. ఏదో ఇంటికి తీసుకొచ్చింది ఇది. ఏమవుద్దు. లెఫ్ట్లో మ్యూజిక్ బాగుందిరా.
Okay, mind me. M-I-N-D-M-E.
It's like I'm just exploring how the corporate is.
Mind me, okay. We are 4.63.
40 capsules.
As of now, my friends and all just started, right?
I think it's 40 or 50 subscribers.
Okay. Couldn't find your profile. Maybe later you please share it with me.
It's more over like how the corporate style works. Like, why I started my channel is most probably.
Now you're talking about your chapter, which is career of business.
We can talk about that. Not only about the career, like my passion is to become a film director, and I want to narrate a lot of stories. Like I started reading a lot of books, like hardly like last 1 year. So when I went to London for my masters, after completion of my master, I started working as an accountant over there in a real estate company. So I saw different religious traditions over there in London. Like I started working in a Sikh community, in Afghan Sikhs there. So I'm an only accountant in the organization. So they involved me in the company in such a way that it was so wonderful. We all share lunch. Like in corporates, I didn't see that all of the team members go for lunch together at a time. Like they do once in a month, once in a while. But there we used to have a lunch every day. So, and they were very casual, very jovial, and they are very friendly. So then I wanted to show that to outside, but I was not good. Like if I start in English, I don't know how of my friends will take that and my family will understand. Like moreover, I want to show my family like how the world is.
Okay.
Like, my family is typical Indian Brahmin family.
Okay.
Then my father is a priest.
Okay.
So they are more involved in the traditional way. They were like towards the God, beliefs and all. So I want my mom to show the world. I
lot of things happening.
Yes. I can't take her everywhere as she's busy with her work. So So I thought of, okay, let me show my mom what is the world. So I started recording videos and I sending her. So now what I thought, okay, let me show to my relatives, let me show to my friends. So in Insta I started posting different things, what I saw in London and all, what I experienced. Then it was a small dream to, okay, let me start a YouTube channel as well. We all know, like, we are middle class. Like, I am properly a upper middle class family where we need to do a job for sure. There is no other case. We can't take the risk at a time. And I wanted to become a film director. My parents encouraged, but at the same time they can't afford. So, okay, like start somewhere. We started a YouTube channel just a month ago. We started recording a lot of things. Moreover, collaborative work. Without my friends, it was not even possible. Me, myself, and 2 others, 4 or 5 of us, we are staying in the same one house. So we are doing a couple of videos, vlogs, funny things and all. I'm posting one by one, so it will come in a way slowly. Won't dump as a whole.
Okay,
So
great.
that's as of now what I'm doing.
Rather doing nothing, you should do something.
Yeah.
Right? So that's how you started it, and all the best for your like vision for what you have right now. Let's manifest good things for it. Honestly.
And that was so cute, like to start a YouTube channel, like show your mom the world.
Yeah, the whole idea was actually so cute. Because a lot of people they would say like, I want to become a #1 YouTube channel creator or something. But the core thing is that like you want to satisfy people. Like you want to show people. Like you want to show the world what is happening around us, what is happening. Actually, so
Heart touching.
heart touching.
School inside BITS Pilani campus school, then go on to like doing the undergraduation in like CS at BITS Pilani only.
Okay.
Yeah, then like
Big shot.
Wizard, I would say.
Yeah.
not exactly.
Bizarre. Yeah, nice word.
Yeah, I worked as an intern like in few like MNC and like one MBB company. Like I graduated last year and currently I'm leading a product role in a electric vehicle based company in based in Gurugram.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm hosting like in collaboration with ESL IIT Madras a small conference for the product managers like around South India, the Bangalore, Chennai, and like the Trivandrum. So like a lot of folks from in the PN sectors
Okay.
came over there. So like yeah, so for the like the community management of that and like I came here like and I have my flight like for day after tomorrow.
He's flying back.
No, I'm I'm hosting an event at IIT.
So the amphitheatre inside, you are hosting it over there at the amphitheatre inside the IIT
No,
or
no.
the chemistry campus? You are
So I'm hosting at like the auditorium.
auditorium, the main auditorium.
The main auditorium. TTJ auditorium, which you have heard
Got
of.
it, yeah.
Actually, Zoho
University, okay. Okay, actually, like, please explain it. Like, a lot of people they don't know about this Zoho University, Zoho schools, Zoho University, where they actually like, I mean, they onboard a lot of people and they teach them,
Oh.
and they will make them place in the Zoho companies.
Good. That's very good.
Like they do that, they
they
do it
conduct
purposely.
a test for 12th completed and people who are studying in college.
Okay.
So the age limit should be 18 to 20.
Okay.
They should not have any degree.
Okay.
Those people are eligible, they can attend the test. If they pass the test, they will take you to Zoho University and give you 2 years training. And they will validate after the 2 years. If you have capable of doing their work, they will just recruit it and put it in a team and
Actually, they are doing this social work for so long time. So, honest thing, like I would say to a lot of people, like we everyone would wish to get a life in a very smooth way at this point of age, but nothing goes like that. Like, you can't imagine like how your life works. Like life will give you a lot of surprises.
And typically you can call me as a confused basic. I don't have much in my life and I didn't plan anything.
Okay.
I'm with the attitude like just we walk in the street.
Okay.
I'm a bit cautious now.
Because whatever I post, even his mom and his father will see.
Typically, those are only our audience as of now.
As of those are our reputed audience.
Yeah, exactly.
Even my grandma watches it. But
Oh.
you're speaking in English, right? I have my brother, he can explain it to us.
You can actually translate everything to
Nice. If I say something inappropriate also, my brother, he will filter it out and he'll
Oh, great. Yeah, elder brother, younger brother.
Both are there over there.
Both can do good deeds for him. Okay.
He is the little one in the home.
they'll cover up my mistakes.
Honest enough, bro. Nice.
As of now, our both ambition is to sustain this channel. As of now,
Nice. Go for it. Consistency matters.
that's what we are looking to do.
One big adventure in my life was coming to Chennai.
Okay.
I thought it would be easy. Initially, I felt it is very difficult without learning the language.
Okay.
Even I was into Infosys, even if I was in corporate, they don't used to speak English.
Okay.
On the regular basis, they used to speak Tamil itself.
Okay.
Around 3 months, I was suffering. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to ask. Slowly,
Fear of missing out.
yeah. Slowly, I got to learn their language. I stopped thinking what to say. I started to understand what they are speaking.
Okay.
Slowly, I felt it is similar to Telugu. Few words are similar to Telugu.
What is the first word that you learned?
First word is
That's definitely a bad word.
yeah, no,
Definitely.
It was an interesting story. It happened with my manager actually.
Bad word.
First week when I came to Chennai,
Okay.
on the same week I have returned to my home.
Okay.
The next week, on Monday, I reached here and I came into the Infosys. My manager saw me and he was asking like, "Eppadi irukeenga?" Like he asked. I replied him like, "I came today morning itself." I didn't understand what he was saying because in Telugu, eppudu is like
When?
I thought
When?
he was asking when you came. I told like morning itself. The whole crowd over there they started laughing. Yeah. Later one guy called me aside and he was saying like, "Eppadi irukeenga means how you are." He's asking about your well-being. You got mistaken. Then I started realizing that I have to think about it and I have to speak accordingly.
09.
Anyone here?
It's like you are there.
Oh, you took us. Yeah, that's good.
Younger, I got really, really drunk when I
Okay.
was around 15.
Okay.
And